Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, we will learn how to set always on display to show new notifications in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, lock your screen, and if you want tap on screen, you will have the always on display option, and here clock styles and new notifications items are showing. Okay, if you would like to get always on display only if you get new notifications. Okay, here if you tap, then it's showing. Okay, so always if you tap, then only it will be showing. Okay, suppose if you would like to get this always on display on new notifications only, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is go to the settings of your phone first, then go to lock screen, then go to always on display, click on it and make sure that always on display option is turned on. Okay, then click on show for new notifications, and now lock your screen. Hereafter, if you receive any notification, and always on display options, that is notifications, will also be showing in the lock screen itself. See here, now I am checking. See there, I have received one new messages, and now always on display details are showing here. That is new notification has received. I can understand that new notifications has been received. Okay, so in this way you can easily set always on display to show new notifications only in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.